You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this vehicle, Volkswagen. That would be the German pronunciation, Volkswagen. Now, it's named after a city in New Mexico, which is pronounced in English as Taos. Taos. That's your English pronunciation. It comes from Spanish, so the Spanish pronunciation is Taos. Taos. So you have a bit of a diphthong. Taos. Taos. So Volkswagen, that would be the English pronunciation, American. Volkswagen Taos. Volkswagen Taos. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.